Okay, you can start.
Yeah, okay, so existing push button to
Yes.
operate the door.
Yes.
So I just wired in two conductors
Yes.
over to the garage door module.
Yes.
And for testing, the garage door module is just plugged into an extension cord here.
Yes.
And when we operate the,
Yeah. A few seconds
yeah,
again.
we,
Okay, the door is okay. Okay, we mount the position of the sensor in
yeah,
here.
so we have the switch is just mounted on the wall.
Yeah.
And we have a magnet glued to the edge of the door.
Okay.
And then we get the indication when the door is closed, we
Yeah.
get the indication on the module.
Okay. And the can you turn on again?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Turn off. Okay. The existing model is still keep,
That's correct.
don't modify anything. Okay.